Hello and welcome back at Lion Bull Academy. Today we're gonna explain little bit good, what is support and resistance and make one strategy with that information. How to make support and resistance, what they are, and how to create one strategy for use support and resistance. Really great strategy. The information I take it from this book, this is my book, that's gonna be for sale now in Spanish language. Next month will be in Italian and in English. I will try to make both language already for next month. But the first in Spanish, I'm sorry, I was writing first in Spanish. I will do it now faster in Italian and English for everybody. Remember, you don't need to buy nothing if you don't want it. It's just because I just was like to show the cover was coming great. Okay, inside of the book, I have one part that explains about support and resistance, really interesting. And now I'm gonna explain to you because how I say I'm gonna make all the information is in the book will be always for free here in the channel. The book is just if you wanted to help support the channel, you can buy it through Amazon or to Google Store. Also, I will put that in digital. You can buy digital or in cover. That's all depends on you. Digital is more cheaper, cover a little bit more expensive. Okay, the black line here is the price, the movement of the price. What is a support? Support is when the price go, example, up and start going down, then after again up, in the point more down, that point exactly is become a support. More times touch that line that you are drawing, that support, more stronger is the support. Then more probabilities that the price will going up after touching that zone. It's good opportunity to make a buy example. Resistance is the opposite. Is when the price go in the maximum high and then start coming back down. When hit coming down, then again up, and when touch the same zone, is become a resistance. Okay, resistance is already the first point, just become more strong the resistance. Resistance can become support also, they can change. Example, if the price broke it above the resistance, then that line of resistance become automatically one support. It means that the price can come back, but in that zone is more probable that will jumping up again. Okay, that's an easy way to explain. Now let's look graphic for better understanding, and I will explain you how to use in the graphic, how to make the strategy, how to use the ratio risk reward also in that strategy. Like this, you have a complete strategy you can use in the moment. And after, I will explain how to increase the chance of get better support and resistance levels. What is the trick I use it? Okay, let's start with the graphic. Here we have one graphic of the euro dollar in the time frame of 1 hour. I use Etoro with his pro chart for this example. Let's look an example here. The downtrend is here. You can see clearly it's a downtrend. The price are always make new low and new high low, also new low low, high low. Okay, that's a downtrend. We put support and resistance in all the minimums and all the resistance in all the highs, sorry, and all the supports in all the minimums. Let's draw in them. We take segment, example one here. We take segment, one more here. Segment. Now we make the resistance. One here. It's just approximately for you here. See good. And one here. Okay. We already create this one. This support here we already deleted. Why? Because he created a new support a little bit more down. You see here down. Then this one really doesn't work. It will be ignored completely. It don't become anymore. Here we have an accumulation zone, and then he broke it quietly. So we eliminate this one. Okay, what is a support and resistance? Support and resistance is zones is levels in the price where exists a lot of supply and demand. Okay, example, supports is where are a lot of buy more than selling. Then the price become very stronger and nobody want to sell below that price. That become one support. Resistance is where the price everybody want to sell in that zone, but they don't want to buy anymore there. That become one resistance. That make you is supply and demand only. Is zone where is more supply and zone where is more demand. Like did you understand? When it's a lot of supply, the price go down. When it's a lot of demand, the price go up. Um, how now we can make one strategy from this one? Very simple. This is strategy I use working really good and will make you make good profit with very low risk and without need to stay in the computer all the day long. Okay, let's start. How I use this strategy? I do it. It is two ways to use this strategy. When the price broke the support, in this case we are in selling, the support we put in the moment one sell. And the stop loss will be above the resistance and the take profit have to be the exact same amount, the distance, exact same distance. Example, we take one rectangle, like this is how I do it for find risk reward 1 1. You create the rectangle exactly from the 2 points, then you click here, put it here, and like this it is. You enter exactly when broke, and then you put here your take profit. You have risk reward 1 1 1 1. Perfect. This is one way. The second way is the more conservative way, is instead to use exactly the broke, because can happen make a fake broke and come back and catch you in stop loss after, so that's very dangerous, we can say. Then we can use to how I do it. I use conservative way. I open in the next candle, exactly when open the next candle, then will be like that. You take a rectangle and you make from the stop loss will be in the same position till the open of the next candle. That is as position, and this is as reward 1 1. Here risk reward, you can see here is where we're gonna take profit exactly in this zone. That's the best way to trade this strategy by my point of view. And you can see here you make a profit quietly. First break strategy here, exactly in this one here, as first wait, I draw one more segment. No segment. Yeah, here you can see the price here was make a fake broke. Why? Because price was going down, was broke, it closed below, but then coming back up, then was a fake breakout. Here we was probably make one wrong operation, but was no problem also. Why? Because even like that, a stop loss is here and a take profit will be somewhere here, so still was going down and make us profit. In this situation is how you say is risk reward. You enter if the price was going wrong and coming back up, go to your stop loss. Just don't do it nothing, because if you was close because you're thinking that the price will just going up and you close, you lose that opportunity to make that operation also. You never know really where going the price. You need to follow the rules. When you enter, you have your stop loss and your take profit. Don't move in no one of them and let the price working. Okay, now that I explained this one, let's go to the next idea. Now we're going to explain how to find support and resistance in the uptrend. Very simple. In the lows, highs, you put the support. In the highs, the high, you put the resistance. Let's example, we start here, just for, it's also one here and one here, but I just start already from here because this price we don't gonna now steady, we steady already this part. Here is as resistance, exactly here. Okay, no, I need to go a little bit more high. Okay, let's explain. Here, you already know how to make support and resistance. Let's look in the strategy, how it will work. The same, we take as quadrat. And here, at the moment, if we choose this like resistance, we will enter probably in this candle. So we make a segment as a rectangle from sorry, it's in the close price here. We enter in the next candle, so we enter here. And here it is. This is as risk reward. We just take it, put it up. And here also we was get the as take profit quietly. Or here or even around here. We was leave the operation open. Okay, now you understand how it is. If you was want to make the more risky, you just enter exactly when broke. Yeah, this candle you already was enter, but you can risk the price make a pullback and go back down. Now, how we can increase as opportunity in this kind of strategy, and how we can make more perfect the support and resistance. Very simple. We just click here where is the candles and put line. Now, when you see in the line, you see all that distance between the support and resistance to the real price. Then we just make them exactly in their points. I'll just show you why I think it's very important to do it that one. Okay, let's now go looking as chart with candle. You can see now the price show more clear where are the real support and resistance without the without these movements, this extra movement, this volatility is between. You can see the real movement. And example, in this operation, you was already entering this candle and not in this one. You can see. But in the conservative way, because already broke there, and then you take the next one. And here the same, was broke already and close here, and you already was take the price here. So you was create more perfect enter. And it's all about that, this strategy, to get the best entry point that possible. It's a great strategy. You can use it in any time frame. Can be in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day. I use personally in 1 hour, 4 hours, and 1 day, but you can use in less time frame for make scalping. That's all depends to you. Great strategy. Have a very good risk reward. 1-1. You can use it. You can even make 1-2 or 1-1.5. But you can see all this movement. This was don't give you 2 weeks. Was already come back down, and you already was lose the opportunity. So better 1-1 is mean the same you risk, the same you reward. Stop loss the same, then they take profit. So that's it. I hope you like the strategy, you like this plane. If you like it, please click the like button. Will help me a lot for increase my views in this channel. Comment you have some more question if you want to know a little bit more about this. We will make next video how to make even better this strategy and how to use it other indicators for that. Subscribe to the channel, also very important for I can grow it more faster and more people will see this channel. And the most important, take care. See you next time.